Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we move ahead, so please like and subscribe. So one of my friend recommended me to visit this place. So this is the King of Juice. So it's located in Paramount Hills. So it's a place in Hyderabad city, the main city. So Paramount Hills. So do visit here. So the specialty of this place is that this place is filled with people from outside, like outside the country. So people from Yemen, Sudan. So you'll find them here. So come. So
This is strawberry.
this is strawberry.
This is strawberry with mulberry.
Okay, strawberry with mulberry.
And juice G, it will come right now.
Okay, juice G will come right now. Your brother, your name?
Muhammad.
Muhammad. So I'm with Muhammad. He's from?
Yemen.
He's from Yemen, man. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Kabul Darbar, one of the finest and famous restaurant in Hyderabad. So I've come here along with my friends and family to have lunch. The Char Minar is a historical monument structure of India. It's also called as a symbol of Hyderabad. Also, it is also called as emblem of Telangana. So Hyderabad is located in the Telangana state. So and Char Minar, the mosque, was constructed in the year 1591. Yes, so it has a huge history. So you guys can check it out in Google, Wikipedia. So and what else can I say about Char Minar? Just simply beautiful. Just look at it. So beautiful. It's very popular and not for only for this beautiful mosque, because for this busy and various local markets which surrounds this structure, as you can see. And many people outside the country, within the country, they visit here to shop, to have, just spend a good time with your friends and family, and just to admire this beauty. और चार मीनार आए और निम्रा कैफे एंड बेकरी का ईरानी चाय नहीं पिए तो क्या किए, तो चलो वहाँ जाते हैं और चाय पीते हैं और थोड़ा शॉपिंग करते हैं. चलो. ये इतना अच्छा क्यों है?
ये देखो, ये स्पेशलिटी हमारा बनाना का तरीका है.
हाँ.
ये नहीं का, ये ईरानी चाय का बनाने का तरीका है. अलग अलग डिकाशन अलग पकता, दूध अलग. इसका स्पेशलिटी ईरानी चाय, इसका नेम
Specialty. These two are the owners of the Nimra Cafe, which is located at Char Minar. So thank you so much. All the best. Shadud Malai. This is something special from the Milan Juice Center. So as you can see, there is berries and this is the ice cream. This is the best. तो शहदूद मलाई बहुत ज़बरदस्त था और मैंगो मलाई तो ज़बरदस्त से भी ऊपर था. तो डू विजिट द मिलान जूस सेंटर which is located in again the Char Minar. So one of the again must visit place, and come we'll greet the owner. So ये owner of मिलान जूस सेंटर मिस्टर अब्दुल बासित, बहुत अच्छा लगा, शुक्रिया.
जी हम हैदराबाद से
हैं.
ये इनके वालिद साहब करते थे
हाँ हाँ
उस जमाने में.
बोले
हाँ, जब से है ना
माशाल्लाह.
दोनों इनके फर्जंद, ये उनके फर्जंद.
अच्छा,
सिलसिला है वो,
सिलसिला जारी रहेगा.
जारी रहेगा.
और आप क्या करते हो?
ये अपना शॉप इधर है.
अच्छा, ये कपड़ा
हाँ क्लॉथिंग का है अपना।
कितना साल हुआ?
ये अपना 2-3 ईयर्स हुआ।
2-3 ईयर्स। ग्रेट, बहुत अच्छी बात है। सब लोग काम बहुत मेहनत से
हाँ, हम
करते
लोग
हैं,
मिलजुल के रहते हैं।
मिलजुल के रहते हैं, वही तो इम्पोर्टेंट है। लॉट ऑफ फूड जॉइंट ओवर हियर। सो तुम लोग को बिरयानी चाहिए तो तुम लोग इधर आ सकते हो, तुम लोग को बर्गर चाहिए तो बर्गर जॉइंट। नूडल बार, इट्स माई वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड रिकमेंडेड टू विजिट हियर, सो यू गेट वेरी गुड चाइनीज कुजीन, सो वी गोना ट्राई दैट। हाँ, तो आप ये नाम क्यों रखे हैं बर्गर?
See, it's a saying here कि लोकली जो होता है
हाँ,
कि चाय वाय पिया के नहीं, खाना वाना खाएगा
हाँ,
नहीं।
बिरयानी
So
बिरयानी।
yes, so we came up with the rhyming of this burger burger.
That's great,
Yes.
yeah, that's great. Great. आपका नाम?
Abdul Kaleem.
अब्दुल कलीम, माशाल्लाह, very good.
Thank you.
Thank you. All the best. There are so many delicacies over here. So one by one I'll introduce. So this is chicken lollipop combo, and this is tukpa. This is kosui. This is the potato honey fries, and of course the momos. देखो बहुत सारे कबाब है इधर। तो कौन से कबाब है?
इसमें ये अंगारा स्पेशल हमारा जो है शेफ, उसमें उस्मान
हाँ।
स्पेशल अंगारा ही है।
स्पेशल।
और ये हरी मिर्ची कबाब है।
अच्छा,
और ये अपना बलोची कबाब है। बलोची चिकन टिक्का बोलते हैं
ओके, ओके।
इसको। और ये मलाई कबाब 55 है ये।
मलाई,
हाँ मलाई कबाब।
मलाई अच्छा दिख रहा है।
हाँ, और इसमें और भी वैरायटी रहती है अपने पास।
हाँ, हाँ।
जैसे फिश है और गोश्त की गलावट रहता है अपने पास।
ओके,
और हैदराबादी प्योर सामी कबाब रहते हैं हैदराबाद।
प्योर। वाह। सो शेफ उस्मान कबाब हाउस, उस्मान आप है?
जी मैं ही हूँ
हाँ।
उस्मान।
तो खैरियत।
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह मैं जो है
The place where they used to, the king and all, that times people used to keep their horses over here. And there's so much to work, so much to know. So it's always better to have a guide. So there is people over there. So they'll charge some few money. So it's better because there's lot of stuff you need to know about Golconda Fort. So this is the clapping point where the people will warn people over there using clapping signal. So this is the spot. So this is the clapping spot over here where the sound goes echo.
जाओ, अगर नहीं वो साइड में पैलेस है उधर चले जाओ।
ठीक है, शुक्रिया अजहर भाई।
ओके, अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।
अल्लाह हाफिज़। हाँ, तो इधर का स्ट्रक्चर लोगों ने बहुत डिटेल्ड, बहुत प्लानिंग के साथ किया है। इट्स ग्रेट मैन। इट टेक्स several years to build even a small structure. It takes years of time. Just look at this, so huge, so much to explore, so much to climb, so much to walk, but so much to know about the Golconda Fort. Just can't imagine how people used to live over here and witness such beautiful this area. I wish I could live in that moment. So it is the end time. So around 6:30 the Golconda Fort gets closed. So do visit early so that you can explore everything. I came a little late, but you guys don't miss it. तो अभी आ गए हम लोग जन्नत ऑफ हैदराबाद. So जन्नत है ये, the world famous in Hyderabad, and that is a paradise biryani. So this is the world's favorite biryani spot. So So this is a halim, one of the famous dish of Hyderabad. So this is a halim. So just check this out. So this is located in one of the food stall, and this food stall is called Nayab Halim Point. Okay, so it's located in Ideal Junction. So there we have lots of food stall. So going for vocal for local for now. So yeah, just taste this halim now. Chalo. My friends have recommended here to visit here and have some tasty omelette, something special. Kaju omelette, na? Something special. It's a little busy. See, it takes hard work. Okay, so we're gonna try that. Fluffy omelette, the famous and the speciality from the Wow omelette, and it looks wow. This is not the only one stall. There are 3 more stalls. This is a franchise actually, so it is also located in Hyderabad, Gujarat, and Mumbai. So, and this takes a little more time. Preparation takes around 15 to 20 minutes. वो कहते हैं ना सब्र का फल मीठा होता है, तो ये तो बहुत टेस्टी होगा. चलो. Nuts, tutti frutti, then sevige, ice cream, chocolate. Hashtag vocal for local. We come to the end of this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed. So there are much places in Hyderabad to explore. So maybe next time I will visit more places. So now heading to my hometown. So I have to catch my flight. So until next time, stay safe, take care. Regards to you.
Would you stay with me if the world was ending?